So the thing is that we often come across great YouTube channel arts and banners, but actually no one gives us the secret sauce that they used in making those perfect banners. But today I'm turning the tables as I make this banner for my own YouTube channel, and I'll take you along on the journey. So now you have to stick along for the next few minutes while I tell you how I made my YouTube banner in a breathtakingly simple way. So we are inside my desktop and we will be using Canva for this purpose. So the first step would be to search up YouTube channel art, and this would give us all the designs that are actually made for the purpose of YouTube channel arts and banners. So these are the designs here which anyone can use, but we are going to go with the custom design. So we will actually open it up, and the second step is to look for the YouTube channel art ratios. So the countdown timer is ticking, but we'll try to do quality work. And so these are the YouTube channel art ratios. We'll download this exact image. So this would be a reference point for us. So we have downloaded it, and we'll now upload the same to Canva. And while it is being uploaded, we'll put it on the screen. So you have to disregard what already exists there if you are trying to make your own channel art. And now since we have this adjusted to the banner here, actually it isn't adjusted yet, but you have to play with it to adjust it fully. And here we go. I think we are now spot on almost, and we'll delete what we don't need here, and we'll drag the markers from the left side. So according to this banner art, this blue section is the optimal area for mobile and desktop display, and the dark gray ones are the mobile and tablet ones. And next up we have the full version of the desktop channel art. So now since we have these, we'll also add some horizontal lines which will also give us a reference point to where exactly we want our channel art to be. So these are the markers adjusted according to these ratios. And now we'll delete this. We'll delete the previously existing. We'll actually delete all of them, and now we have to make our own channel art. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I have connected the Bitmoji with my Canva account. You can do it, which is a great feature. I'll tell it in some other video. So I have in mind what I want to do. So I'll look up skateboarding. Let's see what we can find here. So this is the one I need, and now I think we are fine to go, and this will serve the purpose. So let's download it now. So now I have uploaded the banner art on the YouTube customization tab, and this is how it will look, and I believe it is quite accurate and the way we actually wanted it to be. So we actually saved time, made a great channel art, and we did it all in a matter of minutes. So I hope I told you enough for you to consider giving this video a like and subscribing to see my next videos.